Some of the AP challenges that myself and my team experienced were printing checks every Friday, stuffing them all in envelopes, getting the signatures on the checks from our leadership team. We had to have kind of an organization system where we kept all of the checks alphabetically, and as the lien waivers would get signed, we would pull those out and then mail that one. So we're always working to become more efficient, and Corpay saved us a lot of time with the AP processing side of it. We would run our reports and figure out which vendors we were going to pay. After that, there was a few more steps before that took that 16 hours, and now it's just a click of a button and then upload it and the payments go out. The implementation with Corpay went very smooth. We gave them a big file of all of our current vendors, and they went through and did the work of figuring out which vendors took what kind of payment methods, uploaded everything for us into our portal, so it was very easy and it went very smooth. Corpay has helped a lot with our vendor inquiries about payments. They took over managing all of the payment methods for our vendors. It took a lot off of us where our vendors are calling us. Now Corpay is fielding those calls for us.